Hello YouTube viewers, it's Lord's House again. This is my second video about the Mario Brothers Play-Doh guys. As you can see, I got 4 colors here. Basically, what we can do is, with these 3 right here, you could actually make a Goomba, a normal Goomba, and if you just take off the brown one off, you can actually make the Paragoomba, what was in Mario Bros. 3, which had the red head instead of brown. And then obviously when you jump on top of it, it loses its wings and still has a red head. Well, anyway, what we do is we'll make the regular Goomba here for you. Alright, so you just get a brown Play-Doh for you. Now keep in mind when you make stuff here, once it dries it shrinks a little bit, so it doesn't matter if you make it humongous or not, because it will shrivel it up a little bit. And actually I think the Goomba color is slightly lighter than this actually, so what we'll do is combine it with some white, and maybe that'll make a lighter color here for you, as you can see what it looks like. Now when I first started making these things, obviously we didn't have the luxury of having brown and black Play-Doh already done for you. We had to mix it from scratch, which cost a lot of money to do that actually. Okay, that looks sort of lighter than that, so that looks good. Okay. Alright, basically the Goomba, I don't know if you saw what they look like, obviously. Basically, they look like a mushroom, basically. So you just have to make like a little head here for you. Now to actually create the other parts of it, obviously it's a mushroom, so you probably need the bottom part of it so he actually would be able to stand up. That's actually slightly a little bigger than that, so let's do this. That looks like a mushroom, doesn't it? So we'll put this here so it doesn't get dried. Now for the feet, I believe they were black, I believe. There's so many different shapes and colors of Goombas. I mean, remember the Super Mario Bros. 3 Giant Land, you got this territory with the humongous Goombas. I believe they were called Grand Goombas, I believe. Alright, these little black dots, these black pellets I'm making are actually for the feet for the Goomba. Alright, well that's the start of the Goomba here. All we have to do is just add the eyes, the mouth, and his eyelashes, and that's it. Sorry, the camera is actually going crazy here for a minute there. But that's what it looks like so far. Alright, now let's go to the eyes. And the Goomba fell. To prevent them from falling, you always just make a little dention of the behind where the foot is. like a little groove up there to actually help it stand up. That's why you usually find it how to actually get it going there. Oop. Okay, got that. I guess you just put him up there so he doesn't fall over again. Now we're going to do the pupils of the eye. Alright, the fun thing about the Goombas is they have those real long eyelashes. Which I think is kind of funny about them, actually. Now we could do, to create the mouth on it, you could use like a popsicle stick, ruler, knife. Try not to drop stuff on you. This is probably just to signify where the mouth is going to go. And then you could probably put the little two teeth that's sticking up on its mouth too. I think this will be big enough. And then his thing for his mouth. That'd be the last thing to do. Just roll it out like so. Smash it in there. Actually, it might be a little too thick there. So let's go ahead and take some off here and roll up a little bit better. Alright, and there you have it. A Goomba ready to get Mario. So it'll probably take about a few days to dry out and it'll be ready for display. Just like I said, when you make him, you don't have to put the pieces together, but it probably would be a little helpful though if you did it, just to signify it. But there you go, one Goomba ready to go. If you have any questions, just message me again. Also, like I said, feel free to ask me any character I try to make. He's kind of a little difficult. He's not as easy as the lemon drop, but he's still kind of simple though. You don't have to mix the colors up to get these two colors, the black and the brown. But he's ready to go, and I will see you guys later. Bye.